This is Robert. His company is subject to the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR. This means he has a lot on his mind, including individual data privacy and steep financial penalties for non-compliance. While GDPR originates in the EU, its impact reaches around the globe. Because of this, Robert is focused specifically on GDPR's deliverables, such as his customers' right to know and data portability, maintaining geographic data integrity, eliminating email as a data sharing vehicle, creating a single view of customer profile data, ensuring customer data is always up to date, gaining each customer's consent to share personal data, and the ability to erase client data immediately upon request. That's a lot for Robert to process, so where does he start? Robert has looked at his options and knows he can do one of two things. He can spend a lot of time and money trying to safeguard customer information, but still be liable for any personal information that he may not find, or he can securely give the data back to his customers, and using self-sovereign identity principles, which are supported by underlying blockchain technology, have the customers maintain the safety and security of their own data. This is faster, much less expensive, and exposes Robert and his company to significantly lower risk. So, self-sovereign identity is clearly the better option. But how does Robert do it? We actually make it easy for Robert using Atlas CI. With Atlas CI, Robert has a best-in-class content management system from ELO Digital Office. A deployment of ELO Professional or ELO Enterprise quickly and accurately identifies all of his customers' personal data across all information cycles throughout his business, from corporate to suppliers to service providers, anywhere customer data may hide. The ELO Digital Office suite then passes the data securely to a fully integrated instance of iFileMe. With iFileMe, Robert has the ability to return all his customers' data without using email in a structured format on their smartphone or via a web portal. This is done without any human intervention, meaning no human error and no lost custody of the data. In short, with Atlas CI, Robert's customers have their data with them at all times and can share it when and with whom they choose. All data is stored in the EU on the Microsoft Azure cloud and never leaves the EU, even if the user shares their information with someone else. Emails are no longer necessary and therefore do not collect copies of personal information. Robert's company now has a single view of each customer, allowing Robert and his team to help customers improve their profile data. Each customer is now responsible for keeping their individual data up to date, alleviating Robert from having to maintain it. The customer can give or revoke consent for Robert to share personal information at any time, and if a customer stops doing business with Robert's company, their data can be completely and immediately erased. So in other words, Atlas CI, with integrated ELO Digital Office and iFileMe, gives Robert a simple and comprehensive way to achieve GDPR compliance. So, if you're like Robert and you need to adhere to GDPR, then you need Atlas CI. To learn more, visit us online at asset-atlas.com/GDPR.